Hi, Jenny. Cats. Cats. What cats look like? This cat is black. This cat is white. Some cats are black and white. Some cats are grey. Some cats are orange. And some cats are brown. Some have black tails and black feet and black faces. This cat is called Tabby. Are some cats grey? Yes, some cats are grey. A cat has 4 legs and 4 paws with claws. Cats have long tails. A cat has 2 eyes, 2 ears, and a nose. It has long whiskers. It has a mouth with teeth and a tongue. What cats eat? Cats drink water. They drink milk too. When cats drink water or milk, they lap it up with their tongues. Cats eat meat and fish and can eat cat food. What cats catch? Cats like catching things. Some cats catch birds. Some cats catch mice and rats. Some cats try to catch lizards and butterflies. Do some cats catch birds? Yes, some cats catch birds. Cats' claws. Cats' claws are sharp. Their claws help them to catch things. They always help them to climb up trees. Yes, some cats catch birds. Dogs and cats. Cats will climb trees to get away from dogs. Sometimes dogs bark at cats and run after them. Tomcats. This is a father little cat. He is called Little Cat. Mother cats and kittens. This is a mother cat. She has 8 babies to look after. What is a father cat called?
Do you remember, Becky, what a father cat's called?
Yeah.
What?
Little cat. But
Yeah.
you're ruining it.
Sorry.
A father cat is called a tomcat.
Oh.
Kittens, baby cats are called kittens. Newborn kittens cannot open their eyes. They cannot see, but they can smell. They can find their mothers, and they can find her milk. Kittens are too little to catch birds or mice or lizards. But kittens like to play at catching things. This kitten is catching a piece of red ribbon. Cats keep clean and warm. Cats like to be clean. They clean their fur with their tongues. Mother cats clean their kittens to make them clean. When cats are warm and happy, they purr and they purr.
Very good. Very good.